Hey guys, it's Arena. I hope you guys are all doing well. I am back with another fashion haul, and today I am doing my very first Japan fashion haul. I never really like showing clothes when I travel because one, I never remember where I get it from, and two, I always wear them while I'm in Japan. Like I pretty much build a whole new wardrobe whenever I travel to like Japan, Korea and Taiwan. It always just gets mixed up and then I forget where everything is from. But I picked up some really great pieces that I wanted to share with you guys, and of course before we get started I wanted to quickly shout out today's sponsor. Thank you to Tokyo Treats and Sakura Co for sponsoring today's video. I am literally so excited for these boxes because they are both Sakura themed, and if you know me, you know that I kind of have a little bit of an obsession with cherry blossoms. And of course, because it's almost spring in Japan, both boxes are cherry blossom themed. So Tokyo Treats is a Japanese subscription box that focuses on unique and different flavored snacks that you can only get in Japan during certain seasons. And this month's theme is Sakura Snack Taste, and I'm literally so excited for this because I've actually never been to Japan during cherry blossom season. It has been one of my longest life goals to see the cherry blossoms in Japan, so I've actually never had that many like sakura flavored snacks before, so I am so excited for these boxes. I have never been able to find sakura flavored snacks in Japan when I've been there because I've never been there in cherry blossom season, so I can finally fulfill like half of my dream by tasting sakura flavored snacks. And literally everything is so cute. I'm literally so obsessed. So of course, if you don't want to miss out, you definitely have to pick up a Tokyo Treat box because you're never going to be able to find any of these snacks unless you're in Japan at the right time. And that's one of the best things about the Tokyo Treat boxes. They literally have like limited edition items that you will probably miss out on if you're not in Japan during the right time. So I literally love these boxes. I cannot wait. And Sakura Co also cherry blossom themed, and look how adorable this packaging is. Is this not the cutest thing ever? Sakura cherry blossoms, literally obsessed. And they are also cherry blossom sakura flavored. So Tokyo Treats focuses more on like traditional authentic flavored snacks. They work with like local Japanese snack makers, and this month's theme is the beauty of sakura. Very beautiful, literally love. And they have like a lot more like traditional authentic types of snacks. My parents love these boxes because I feel like their palette very much matches the Sakura Co boxes, and both boxes come with their own little pamphlets that tell you like all the information about each snack, kind of like the background and what's in each box, which I literally love. You can also like learn a little bit about the origins and different types of snacks with the Sakura Co boxes, which I adore. But of course, if you want to taste the amazing flavors of Japan, they're so perfect for even like sharing or gifting to your friends because how cute is the packaging? Who doesn't want to receive a cute little box filled with literally the best snacks ever? So obsessed. I find so many new amazing snacks with every single box that I try, and my family literally love them. So if you want to pick one up for yourself or to share with your loved ones, definitely check out the link in the bio, or feel free to use code ARENA, ARENA, at checkout. But let's get on to the clothing haul. I think I'm just going to start off with like random things that I picked up along the way while I was in Japan from random Japanese like markets and stores and stuff like that, and then I'll probably go into like the things that I got from Uniqlo and Goo. But let's just start off. I think I picked these up from Harajuku, one of the shops in Harajuku. But it is this really cute taupey brown knitted kind of shawl jacket. It's like a cute over kind of jacket, but you can also wear it as a top. But it's just like this really nice thin knit sweater. I'll include try-on videos of all the pieces just so you guys can kind of see. But I picked this one up. I also picked up something kind of similar, but it's in like a different knit style, and it's this really gorgeous green, and then it has a little silver clasp in the middle. I feel like these just make really great outer jackets, and low-key one of my insecurities are my shoulders, so I always like to have something that like covers my shoulders, that it's a little bit like oversized, and I feel like these are perfect when I'm like kind of hot, or when you're wearing a dress and you want just something cute on top. I also picked up this gorgeous white knit cardigan. It's got like this pretty knit detailing, and then it has these gorgeous like pearly gold buttons down the middle. I literally love all of the sleeves in Japan. They just have that like cute oversized kind of like that puffy balloon sleeve vibe that I love. So those are like 3 kind of like outer jackets that I brought. But I also got this one. This one was a lot more pricey than the others because I bought it I think at like a store in Lumine, like Shinjuku, and they have like actually like proper Japanese stores. And this one is so cute. I really liked it because it has that like sailor Japanese schoolgirl uniform vibe with the little flap at the back. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll insert a video and it'll be like more obvious, but there's like a little flap at the back you see in all the like Japanese school uniforms, which is so cute. I literally love it. And of course the gorgeous puffy sleeves, love. I threw it in the wash and I don't know what it is about cream colors, but I always get pink on all my cream colors, so I need to try and fix that. But I literally love this. It's so cute, and it also came with like a little knit top that you can wear underneath. That's the exact same color, which is perfect. Oh, sorry, wrong way. A little ribbed knit that just goes underneath it. So cute. I also got this like outer garment sheer like dress thing. It's kind of like a little sheer it's got like polka dots on it dress. On the mannequin it was like shown as a dress, and then they just wore like something like underneath it and then like over it. But I just thought it would be such a great layering piece. I have not worn this yet and I need to learn how to style it, but I just thought it was like really cute. If I ever wore like a really short dress, I could just throw this over it and kind of like add that length if I needed it without taking too much away from the dress since it's sheer. But I just thought it would be such a perfect layering piece. And then it has like this tie detail in the middle which creates a little bow. I have been loving my bows recently, as you can probably tell. And I also picked up these little tops with the same like kind of like bow tying sleeves. Let me quickly tie these up. I actually got these in 3 colors. I got this in blue, black and beige, but I wore the black one recently, so I think it's in the wash, and I'm actually wearing the beige one underneath this sweater right now just because I love the sleeves. I feel like the little sleeves just add a little extra like something to every outfit, so I feel like they're perfect for just to wear by themselves or just to like a little accessory under my clothes, which I have been loving. So at the store that I bought this from, I think it was like one of the small stores also at like the Lumine 1, 2 or 3 in Shinjuku. Shinjuku is so big. And then I brought this gorgeous long brown skirt. The girls in Japan dress so nice and they're so cute and girly, and they wear like dresses and skirts all the time, and honestly I want that to be me. So I'm trying to like get more proactive in dressing cute. And it's just this gorgeous brown skirt, and it has like a sheer panel on top and then like the long satin underneath. I just love the extra layer of this sheer piece. I think it just adds so much like dimension. And then the back is like corset styled. It actually has a really high waistband, so it's like high-waisted. It really cinches you in. Like honestly, I just fit in this. But because I bought those 3 things, they actually gave me a free tote bag, and they had like different colors, but I picked this one. So I guess this is the name of the brand. It's called W Closet. But this bag fits so much stuff, and it is my go-to bag. There's like stuff in it because I literally always use it. But oh I literally just wore the black one, but this is the black top that I was talking about. I forgot that I had it in here. I thought I threw it in the wash, but I obviously didn't. It looks like this. So I have the blue, the black, and then the beige one that I'm wearing right now. So cute. Literally love. They had so much cute things. Obsessed. I did also pick up this really cute sheer like button up top, and it's so cute. It's just like a little sheer cropped button up, and then on the sleeve it's got like a cutout, and then you tie like a little ribbon on the side, which I feel like just adds an extra like detail to the shirt, which I love. It makes it so unique. I love that they just add like little things to make simple pieces look a little bit more like fashionable and pretty. But I'm actually so upset because I bought a cropped version, but then when I was walking around I saw one that was like longer, like the normal size shirts, and I feel like I would have actually probably worn a longer one more. I feel like the long version could have actually been like an outer garment jacket, and I wear a lot of like shirt jackets, so I'm kind of sad that I didn't get the shirt jacket and this one's kind of cropped. But it's still super cute. I really like it. Oh my gosh, I actually bought a t-shirt from Colombia as well, but I don't remember where I put it. But I have this hoodie, this beautiful lilac purple hoodie with a little Colombia patch on it. But this is just the Colombia hoodie that I picked up. It's such a beautiful shade of purple, and I don't have much activewear, so I kind of went on like an activewear rampage when I was in Japan. Like I bought so much activewear, but I'm not going to show it because it's all kind of just like basic tees. But let's go into some of the items that I bought from Uniqlo. I think I'll just go into Uniqlo first because I have a lot more from Goo. But I picked up like a few just like basic t-shirts. I did want to buy like a lot more activewear, as I was saying, when I was in Japan. So I bought a lot of their like airism tops, but I wear them all the time, so they're just somewhere in my closet. But I bought this one. This one's like a really nice color, just like a great material, great fit, light blue, literally love. And I picked up this airism jacket. I kept seeing these when I was in Japan, and Japan is like really big on like airism and UV protection, and because I was there in the summer, like there was a lot of UV protection items, and I just thought this jacket was like perfect for when I want to play sports, go for jogs, or like go for a hike or something, because it's just like a thin breathable white jacket, and I do tend to lean towards lighter colors. I have like a few stains on it. I don't even know how I already got it dirty, but hopefully I can get rid of it and I'll film a try on clip for you guys. But it's just like a really nice UV protection airism thin white jacket, perfect for sports. And Uniqlo is cheaper in Japan, so definitely go crazy when you're in Japan at Uniqlo or Goo. It's so much more worth it. But I also picked up this cute little dress. I feel like Uniqlo just have like all the best basics, and I kind of wanted a cute dress that I could just like throw on whenever, and this dress was giving me like cute picnic sun vibes. Like I don't really know, it was cute. It's kind of like just got like a paneled up here, and then it's just like a long dress. It's really wrinkled. I need to iron it really badly because it's that thick like linen kind of material, so it crinkles really easily, so I need to steam this out. But I just thought it was like so cute and perfect. And the thing about these types of dresses, because they're so simple, I feel like you can really like accessorize them up or make them like style them really differently. When I was in Japan, they released their clamp collection in Uniqlo, their clamp X Uniqlo collab, and I am a die-hard clamp girly. So I'm such a big cherry blossom / sakura fan because of clamp. Honestly, Cardcaptor Sakura was one of my favorite, probably still to this day, my favorite anime of all time. I didn't like the Cardcaptor Sakura t-shirt, so I didn't get it, but I got the Tsubasa Reservoir Chronicle top. When I tell you I died when I saw these, I literally died. Like, how freaking cute is it? It has Mokona and the guy Mokona, I don't know what his name is, and the Tsubasa Reservoir Chronicles cast, which is pretty much like similar, like Sakura and Sharon are both from Cardcaptor Sakura, so of course I loved this anime as well. And it's just so perfect. Like, the art style that Clamp does is literally like one of the best. It's been my favorite for so long. I picked up this shirt and also the XX Holly shirt that has the Dimension Witch on it, and I'll find that one and also include a video of me wearing it too. But so freaking cute, literally obsessed. I would have died if they brought out like a Chobits top as well. I really wish that they made a Chobits t-shirt, but then Chobits definitely was not as popular as some of their other animes. But so freaking cute, love. I'm so happy that I was in Japan when they had it. Eventually it came to Melbourne, but like still, it was a whole experience. So I picked up this wide leg beige trouser, and I actually brought this in like a large size, I think, because I liked the way it sat at my waist and then like how baggy it was. I thought it gave like a really cool vibe. So yeah, I actually picked up these trousers in a large, and they have the best pants at Uniqlo, literally love. But I did go pretty crazy at Goo, and I absolutely love Goo. I love them. and I picked up, we went a bit crazy. We picked up 3. I feel like there's a lot of things in Japan that come in these 3 colors, but this time I got white, black and blue, and it was actually in a set. Where's the white one go? Oh, here it is. This cute little shawl that I feel like you can literally wear with anything. Just throw it over any outfit. So I have a white one, a blue color, and a black one. And then they all came with like the little halter necks that you can wear underneath them in the same colors. So literally it came in all 3 colors. So it came with like a halter neck, and then the like little knit shawl that goes on top of it. And I feel like these are just so wearable. You can just throw them on any fit and it'll look cute. So we went a little bit crazy and we picked up all 3. I think they only came in those 3 colors and we got all 3 colors. I also picked up this outer garment. This one actually is like Gu men's, but I just love the color and I love oversized shirts because I like to wear them as jackets. But yeah, this one's such a gorgeous color, and it's just like a little collared button up shirt with like cream buttons, but perfect little like outerwear jacket just to throw on whenever. I also picked up these denim flared jeans from Gu, and these ones, like, I've wanted like a cute pair of flared jeans for the longest time, and I didn't really know if I like this color because I'm not sure if I would wear this color that much because it's like a really dark blue, but it's got like gold stitching, like gold brown stitching, which I really liked that contrast. It gave me very much like vintage old school vibes, and I feel like when I wore them I felt like a Bratz doll, so I had to pick them up. I just thought they were so cool. I have not worn them yet. I need to wear these sometime soon. But I also picked up this jacket. This one was like extra heavy, like thick jacket. I don't know what it was called, but it was like extra heavy or something, like extra weighted jacket. But it's like one of those types of jackets that you know will keep you warm. And I got it from the men's section as well because I like my jackets oversized and baggy. But it's this dark, rich brown color, and then it's got a gold zip, which I love. I feel like it gives it like a cuter vibe. The warm brassy gold with the brown, I think it just works so well. But it's like a really nice heavy oversized jacket, which I like. Literally, I love Gu so much. They have some of the best things at like a little bit more of an affordable price than Uniqlo. Uniqlo in Japan isn't even too bad, but Gu is like love. But anyways, those are all the items that I picked up in Japan. I'm pretty sure there's probably like so much more that I have in my wardrobe that I just do not know, or they're in my sister or little brother's wardrobe. But that's like one of the reasons why I don't like filming fashion hauls when I travel, because it just goes everywhere and I lose track of everything. But I hope you guys still like this video. I tried to show you guys as much as I could. But of course, if you want to support me and my channel, definitely check out Tokyo Treats and Sakura code down in the description. Honestly, this box is one that I would not want to miss out on because does it get any better than cherry blossoms and sakuras? I literally am obsessed. But definitely check them out and feel free to use my code ARENA at checkout, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!